Hello Glossy family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel I want to say you are welcome. To my returning subscribers, my viewers and my followers, I just want to say thank you and God bless you. So guys, this is a continuation of my previous upload. If you haven't watched it, check for it so you get a better understanding on the ingredients I use and why I use them. So guys, this is my leftover. I just allow it to sun dry or hair dry, then because I knew I'm going to add some rose water to it. So this particular mixture, I created it for my ham, the skin under my armpit. I created it for my armpit use because I needed to show some people how you can reduce smelly odor from your armpit or avoid smelly armpit with this simple ingredient. The ingredients are natural ingredients, so it is super effective if you are constant with it. Right now I'm going to add some rose water to it so I can use it to massage my face or scrub my face. The ingredients I will try and list them out on the description box, so you check it out so you know what you are allergic to and what you are not allergic to. I have some coffee powder, some white rose water, some grated orange lemon peas, some shampoo, and some vitamin E, and some rice flour. That is it. All right guys, please, if you like my content, give me a thumbs up, comment, and also follow. Thanks, and keep watching. All right Glossy family, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is a continuation of my previous video on how I make a tutorial on how you can get rid of armpit odor and also brighten your skin. So I was having a leftover of my mixture, then I decided to reactivate it with rose water, and here it is. I added rose water, but you can also add any water of your own if you don't have rose water. For example, you want to add ordinary water, you can add ordinary water. You want to add salt water, you can add salt water. And you want to add some apple cider vinegar, you can do it, or just lemon juice, you can do it. But I choose to add rose water because I always, when I'm treating my skin, I always try to play on the safer side. So rose water is very effective for the skin and also help prevent irritations of the skin. So adding rose water to any of your DIY for your skin is a go, and it means you are playing a defensive game while brightening your skin. Right now we are going to apply this on my face and let's see how it goes. So guys, I'm done masking my face. All I'm going to do, I'm going to allow this sit on my face until it gets dried properly. I did the process off camera just to avoid mixing up myself or my surroundings. Thanks for watching, and please let me know what you think about this video. So Glossy family, my waiting time is over, because you get to know if this mask is ready to wash off when your skin start to give you this a stretching effect. You right now, as you can see, I'm finding it difficult to speak because my skin is a kind of bit tight now due to this effect of the mask. This is also good to help prevent premature wrinkles, premature aging sign, and also help reduce those should I call it chinky fingers on the side of our eyes here. So this particular mask is also good if you are trying to fight premature aging signs on the skin. Right now, all I'm going to do, get this up with a lukewarm water, then we'll come back to apply my favorite moisturizer, which I made myself. I think I have the video on this page, but I don't know, but I have the video there. All right guys, thanks for watching, and let me know your opinion about this particular remedies. If you are trying it out, you let me know. If not, you also let me know. Love you guys, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comment. Bye guys. So glossy family, this is my final look. Oh my goodness, if you can feel my face, the way it is super smooth, super soft and bright. Oh my god, you need to try this out. So guys, this is the final look, how it feels and how it look. Getting your face or your skin exfoliate regularly is good to brighten your skin. That is one of the best natural way to brighten your skin. Try to exfoliate or scrub your skin on a regular basis, because by so doing you are removing the dead cell or the dirty particles that block your skin from glowing or that stop your skin from shining. Right now I just had a good amount of my moisturizer. I made that moisturizer myself, so I just apply it on my skin, and that is all. My skin with this will pop for 3 to 4 days, shining for good 3 to 4 days. Imagine you being consistent with something like this. Your skin will ever glow. You will ever glow. You don't have to break the bank to buy expensive cream. Just stick to natural tips and try to be consistent in it. All right guys, this is all for this video. Bye and stay blessed until next time I come across your way again. My name is Susan and you are watching Glossy Tips. Love you.